To add different purchase codes on CashFlow accounting software, there are 3 places where we can add it. Through settings, there is purchase codes and chart of accounts. So when we go on purchase codes, scroll to the bottom, here is an option to add a new purchase code. And when we go to our chart of accounts, we can add it at the bottom and also add a type and area. Or we can go through purchase invoices, and at the top header there is a button called purchase codes. So when we go through here, we will be able to add purchase codes at the bottom. So for example, we decide to go through chart of accounts and add new purchase codes for a new product group. So firstly, we need to find where my products are recorded. So materials purchased is 2700. So my subcategory would be 2701. So I will add 2701. Name, for example, I will add product 1. And now I need to specify type, it will be cost of sales. And area, it would be an outgoing type, so it's money going out, and add new code. Okay, we can add a pre-fill rate. So if this product got a set price, what we would pay when we receive this product, we can add it here, and the same as description. So for example, price, let's say £10, and click update. So when we will record an invoice under this product 1, like quoting product 1 or selecting, the price of £10 will appear on our supplier invoice. So let's add, if we have a service in the same way, so to 702, and name service 1, and it would be cost of sales to us, particular service relating to cost of sales, and area, outgoing type, and add a new code. If that service got set price, we can add it here, and description here. So if we go to purchase invoices and click on purchase codes, these 2 appears here as well. And when we click on product 1, if there is inflation and price goes up, you can come here and update this purchase price, and when you will record supplier invoice, it will quote that price. You can still correct that price or change when you're entering supplier invoice. This is just a defaulted price, what you can preset if you know that that price will be always for that product 1 or service 1. This is a way how you can add new subcategories for if you have different products and different services.